Hi, good morning everyone. How are you children? I hope all are fine and safe at home. 6th Standard Science 1, Unit 3, Matter Around Us. Today we are going to discuss about separation of substance. Once again we can recall the last class. Previous class we have discussed hand picking, shaving, winnowing and thrusting. What is hand picking? Hand picking is a separation technique used to remove the unwanted impurities from the mixture by hand. It involves simply picking out substances by hand and separating them from others. Hand picking method can be used when items differ on the basis of color, shape and weight. Examples: separating rotten vegetables from basket of vegetables, separating the stones and insects from rice, separating green grapes from black grapes, separating red gram from rice. What is sieving? Is used to separate large particles from suspension, as usually suspension involving solid materials. A sieve is a utensil that is mesh placed over frame. Example of a sieve is a tea strainer, which is used to separate tea leaves from water. What is winnowing? Of separating heavy small particles and light small particles, for example turdal and husk particles. This process is completely done by the wind. The heavier particles stay down, whereas the husk particles jump away. What is threshing? Threshing is the process by loosening the edible part of grain from the husk and straw to which it is attached. Threshing is the process of loosening the edible part of grain from the husk and straw to which it is attached. It is the step in grain preparation after ripening and before winnowing which separates the grain from the chaff. Threshing does not remove the bran from the grain. Okay children, let us move to the new separation method. Magnetic separation method. Take some iron fillings in a china dish. Add some sugar to take it. Take a magnet. Hold it with the paper cover over the mixture. Iron fillings get attracted to the magnet. Only sugar remains in the china dish. This method is known as magnetic separation method. This method is used to separate magnetic substances from others. For example, iron fillings being separated by a magnet. The magnet attracts only the iron fillings and pulls them from the sand. This is an example of how the physical property such as magnetic attraction can be used to separate substances in a mixture. Magnets attract certain types of metals, for example iron and nickel. Iron and nickel also known as, very good children, magnetic substances. We can use magnetic separation if we want to separate mixtures that consist of magnetic materials and substances that are not magnetic. Here, the iron fillings is mixed to the sulfur in the bowl. We just take to the magnet to show the sulfur and iron fillings mixture. The iron fillings and all is clinging to the magnet. So we can easily separate iron fillings from the sulfur by using magnet. Here sand and iron fillings is mixed and take the plate. We just show the magnet to the mixture. The iron fillings is clinging to the magnet. So we can easily separate iron fillings from the sand using by magnet. Why do we separate mixtures? Separation techniques. When different elements and compounds are mixed together, it's not always good thing. Scientists want to separate the elements and compounds from one another. In order to do so, they have to perform certain separation techniques based upon chemical and physical properties of the substance. Why do we separate the mixture? People separate mixtures in order to get a specific substance that they need. The other thing, people separate mixtures to remove the unrequired components, that means unwanted components. The third point is to get pure substances. That's why do we separate mixtures? Why it is important to separate mixture? Since mixtures form part of our everyday life. The separation of these mixtures into their component parts is important. Example, purification of drinking water, making of filter coffee. If you were stuck on a desert island without any drinking water, your knowledge of separating mixtures could help you to make pure water from seawater. Separating substances from mixtures is an important part of chemistry and modern industry. All the way back to ancient history, industries, humans have separated mixtures in order to obtain the specific substance that they need. One example of this, extracting metal from ore in order to make tools and weapons. Okay children, we will meet at next class.